If I take a day off from work, if I'm being honest, all I really want to do is watch anime all day. But I can't do that today. Today's one of those days wherein I have to see my cardiologist for a checkup. I've been doing this since the end of 2024. I do this every quarter. And to be honest, I didn't plan to vlog today. But this little guy right outside the window made me change my mind. I don't know why, but I just felt the need to whip out my camera and I just started taking a video of this little guy. And it was looking at me as if telling me or asking me to see what he's looking at. And so I did. I wasn't really looking forward to this day because I knew that I'm gonna spend a lot of time at the waiting area at my doctor's clinic again. It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning when I captured this video. I don't normally wake up this early anymore. Since last year, I've had this feeling like I reverted back to my factory settings. I became nocturnal again. You would almost never see me outside around this time of the day, unless I have a doctor's appointment or some important errands to do. That's it. I don't know why, but that little bird outside somehow changed my mood. After seeing that bird chilling and relaxing outside, somehow it motivated me to do the same thing too. I hate doing adult stunts. I hate going to the government's office. I hate processing documents or papers. I hate going to hospitals. I hate doing groceries sometimes, but I'm doing them because I have to. I think the only thing that I don't hate about being an adult is my job or my work. I like doing my work. And I'm lucky enough to get paid doing what I love the most. But for the other things, I don't care about them. I'll be on full-scale adult mode when I'm working. But the moment I log off from work, it's done. I just want to go back to my bed and get back to watching anime, have some snacks, and enjoy the rest of the day. Or night. Maybe the whole night. I know that most people don't understand the way I live, but it's okay. I don't live for them anyway. So today, even though I didn't like waking up too early to go to the hospital, we're gonna get through this day. We're gonna try to have fun and get creative, even though I know this is just another boring day. Before I went to the cafeteria to have my breakfast and coffee, I actually wrote my name on the list. There's a paper posted on the door of the doctor's office, and I was number 4, so there were 3 more patients that went ahead of me before I had my turn. I think I spent about an hour or so waiting at the waiting area after I came back from my breakfast and my coffee, but I didn't throw a tantrum. Yay. I kept myself busy editing this video that you're watching right now. I took a short jeepney ride to the nearby mall so that I can go to Mercury Drug, which is a famous pharmacy in the Philippines, to get my prescription. And here we go. I got them all, and we're going to unwrap these babies when I get home later. I decided to drop by one of my favorite bakeries in here. It's called Dough and Cream, and they've got awesome breads and pastries in here. Also cakes, so let's see what we can get for today. And we have a winner. It's actually a baguette. I think it's got cheese, garlic cheese on top. So, yay. I didn't show it in the video, but there's actually one more thing inside that brown paper bag that I'm holding. I also got a piece of blueberry Danish bread. I wanted to get something sweet and something savory. And this is what usually happens during my adulting days, or what I call my boring days. There's really nothing special today, and I don't like doing any of these. I hated waking up too early. I don't like buying these meds, but, well, I think we survived the day. On the bright side, being outside was a great way to put in the steps, even before I used my walking pad. So, yay. Thanks for being here if you made it until the end, and I'll see you next time. Bye.